Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to get the sum of the array. So let's think about there is an array, right? There is an array num equals, and let's give it a number 23, 45, 67, or 9, or 5, or 3, right? So this is our array, and I'm trying to get the sum of these numbers, right? Sum of these numbers on the console, right? Sometimes you might have a situation that you need to get the numbers and then you need to sum them, right? In that situation, you need to create another uh, element, another variable, and you need to decorate it 0, right? You need to give it a value 0. Okay, now we need to iterate all the elements inside of the array, right? We need to iterate all the elements inside of the array. I get used to use index loop, but you might want to use enhanced loop too. But I'm going to use index loop. Int I equals 0. I less than or equal num dot length minus 1. It is the last index, and I plus plus, right? Okay, what's going to happen here? What can I do here? I can do total, right? Total plus equals num I. Num I. Okay, and then what are we gonna do? We are going to print it out, right? Print the total out. Okay, so here, let's run it actually. Okay, so here what's happening? So we decorated array, right? Which has the sum values. And then I decorate another variable that which is holding the value 0. And whenever I am iterating, the first iteration, 0, right? Index 0. What is index 0? Is 23. Okay. What is the total is going to be? 23, right? First iteration total is going to be 23. And the second iteration, in the second iteration, is going to be I is going to be 1, right? I is going to be 1. The first index, first index is 0, but the second index is 1, right? It is going to be 45. It is going to add it into the 23. And the third iteration is going to be 67, and the fourth iteration is going to be 9, and the fifth iteration is going to be 23. So in this case, you might want to see the total here too, right? You might want to see the total here, and it is going to print it this way. So I'm going to put here, so space, so we can see it clear, right? Okay, the first iteration, the total is 23. In the second iteration, total is 68. In the third iteration, the total is 35, 135. And the fourth iteration, 144. And the fifth iteration, 147, right? This is how we get the sum of the array. And thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.